everyone! This is Ash from Creative Mending, and today we get to unbox and review this Funko Pop Eeyore. He's the Diamond Glitter Chase version. And believe it or not, this is my very first Funko Pop ever. I know, I'm kinda behind on the times. Now, Funko's slogan is everyone is a fan of something, and it suits their products pretty well because they completely sold me when they decided to release my spirit animal as a Funko Pop. We're gonna get right down to the fun part and open him up. I decided to take a look on eBay, and I did luck out and find him. There's quite a few people selling him. He's not the cheapest, but I don't even care because I just really wanted him. I mean, it was kind of one of those situations where you know you shouldn't spend that money, but you just kind of can't help yourself. So it looks like we've got another little bit shipper in here. I'm gonna move that bigger box out of the way. And let's take a look at what we've got going on. Oh, this just sort of pops on. Oh my goodness! Oh, he's so cute! Wow. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Ooh, part of their diamond collection. And he was a Hot Topic exclusive. And then he was a limited chase edition as well. So basically he's just all the extra fancy pants that you can think of. As you can see, that glitter effect is completely gorgeous. I think we already like that. And let's take a look at the side of our box. There's our box art. We've got the back of our box. So let's see, he's number 254. Look at the Heffalump and the Woozle! Oh my gosh, I seriously talk about Heffalumps and Woozles all the time, so that is hilarious. And here's the side view for ya. And here's the top. Oh, look at his little face. He's like, open me now. And we'll take a look at the bottom here as well. And I did notice online that apparently some of them are marked 14 plus and then some of them are marked 3 plus. So he is for ages 3 and over, which is awesome. Means more people get to play with him. I did want to go ahead and mention that there are a few variations of the Funko Pop Eeyore, starting with the 2016 release, which were their blue and gray Eeyores. And then there was a gray flocked version that was released in 2017. The February 2019 Diamond Glitter releases, including this one, came in blue, and then there's also a gray one online, which is like a little bit more affordable. And then there's also the June 2019 release of Eeyore, and he is gray, but it appeared to me that he has sort of the three-dimensionally sculpted features of fur. So there are a few options for you if you decide you want an Eeyore. You don't have to get the super fancy pants one like I did, but come on, it's Eeyore. Like, why wouldn't you? So obviously one of the major appeals about this product is that 1, it's Eeyore, and 2, he's super, super sparkly. Another thing I like is obviously the fact that you don't need any batteries. There's nothing extra I have to do. I can just take him out of the box and he's good to go. So no additional costs on top of the already pretty decent price tag that adorned him when I was looking for him online. There's also not many small items as well, and that's awesome as far as the ages 3 and up goes. I'm gonna go ahead and open this guy up. We're gonna take him out, see what we're working with, and I am prepared to get completely covered in glitter. Aw, how cute! Okay. Oh, wow. Awesome. There's like a little bit of a gradient on him, actually. Why don't we take a better look at that? I'm just gonna pull this open. I don't intend on reselling him, so we're gonna open him up and then I can find a nice place to put him on display. So as far as the weight goes, there's the glitter. As far as the weight goes, he's pretty hefty. He feels quite sturdy. It does appear that his tail is a little bit of a softer, flexible plastic. I would be really careful with this. This already kind of makes me nervous, but luckily he's not going to be played with too much. I'm probably just going to keep him on display most of the time. His ears are a little bit of like a flexible plastic as well, kind of got a little bit of give there. And then his little mohawk here is quite sturdy, a little bit more durable, just like his face. His body is a pretty decent durable plastic as well. Can you, oh, his body rotates. So you can turn him that way. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And here's the bottom of him as well. There's no glitter on the bottom, probably because it would just mostly scrape off from this part, and then also all of the information. Good idea. Probably don't want to cover that up. I do want to show you that really cool, he starts at this more dark blue, and then he works down, and once it gets to his body, he actually has these little green underside features that are glittery. I thought it was a gradient, but it's actually the features of his belly and his little tootsies and everything. He's really, really cute. The current price on this specific Funko Pop right now is quite steep, but I think it's worth it if you have as strong as an affinity with Eeyore as I do. I mean, he's just basically my favorite because no matter how sad he is, all of his friends still invite them onto their little shenanigans, and they don't ever try to change him, which is one of my favorite things about his character. You can imagine why I'm a little bit obsessed with him for that fact. We're gonna take a look at how he sits up. Give him a little bit of a neck rotate there. While I don't think I'll be buying many more Funko Pops because it's taken me this long to buy one, I do have to say I don't really regret this purchase at all because I absolutely love Eeyore. And I mean, there's a first time for everything, so why not add my very first Funko Pop? And if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna go hard with it. I'm gonna get like the coolest one that I can find. And that's why I think that he was really worth the price, even though he was a little bit more expensive. Especially because from what I read online, the chase versions are actually kind of created to be more valuable. So I'm really excited I was able to get him. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment in the comment box below. Let me know which Funko Pop was your first Funko Pop, and maybe which one is even your favorite amongst your collection if you have one. I hope you have a great day. I know I am going to have a very great day. Doo 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 doo.